Hey guys, if in this video you'd like to see how I make pineapple jam, please watch the video till the end, and don't forget to leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up, and share the video with family and friends. Now guys, this is the pineapple I will be working with. This pineapple, you can tell it's overripe. It's been here for a while, and I'm gonna make the jam. So first, let me cut my pineapple. Let me see if I can get anything from this pineapple, guys. So guys, after you cut your pineapple, you cut it in half and half, cut it in half again, and then you can just cut, that hard piece on the inside, you cut it out. And then you could chop up your pineapple very fine in fine pieces if you don't want to puree it. But because I'm gonna puree the pineapple, I'm just gonna leave it in chunks because the blender will do the rest of the job. So I'm just gonna puree it, blend it. Now I'm gonna puree the pineapple, no water added, just the pineapple. And the only thing you're gonna need after this is sugar and lemon. Okay, that's pureed. So now I'm gonna put the pineapple mixture onto the stove with sugar. So I'm gonna measure this pineapple, guys. If it measures 1 cup, then the same amount of sugar. Whatever the liquid measures, I'm gonna put that amount of sugar. So guys, this is the puree amount. This is what I get, that's all. So I have to put the same amount of 2 cups of sugar, okay? 2 cups of pureed pineapple, whatever the pineapple measures, you put that amount of sugar. I'm going to put granulated sugar into this. The stove is on. I'm waiting for it to come to a boil. And guys, you adjust your flame accordingly. If you find, it's sticking, then you're going to turn it off. Now that the sugar is in, guys, you're going to stir, continuously stir. And guys, you notice it's boiling up. So, which is why you have to leave the lid off. You don't cover it, okay? Leave it off. And if you find it's boiling up, then too much, you can turn it down. So have it cook on medium heat, or I'm going to put it halfway and let it cook. Okay, it has to cook down until it thickens because we're making jam. Or you could stir, but that's basically it. So that's like syrup, but we want to get it thickened. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it down some more so that it won't spill over because there's no lid on it, and it's looks like it wants to boil over. See? So you have to watch it, guys. But we don't want the sugar to crystallize, okay? So that's when we're gonna put the lemon juice, and it boils down some more. Okay, we're gonna put half of lemon juice. And if I wanted to, I could have like add a small piece of ginger, you know, for flavor, but I won't add anything. So guys, I have the stove on 6, but I'm close to it. I'm watching it, and I'm squeezing half a lemon juice in it. This is like 40 minutes after. You know, when it's almost drying down, I'm gonna put like half of a lemon, because you don't want the sugar to crystallize. So you add the lemon juice, and it also gives a flavor. So then I kind of like turn it up sometimes, you know, for it to boil out faster. But I feel if you cover it, it will start sticking, so it's best to leave it not covered. But if you're going far away from it, turn it down on 3. But it tastes so good, guys. It's really, 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 really delicious. Nice for ham. Oh my god. Can't wait to do that video. Now guys, depending on how high or how low your flame is, I've been turning it from, like, most of the time it's on 5, 6 or 7, but now it's on 5.5. So depending on how low your flame is, it will take up to 1 hour. Okay, so I'm about to turn this off, because look at the thickness, so the consistency. Even though this is not a wooden spoon, but I think this is good, because when this is cool, it thickens. Okay, and it should be poured into a glass. Yeah, that jam is coming on there, see? So I don't have a big pot where I could immerse the entire glass into. I do have one, but then, you know, I won't take that route tonight. So, you know, you would have your pot of water boiling with the stove turned off, and then you would put the entire bottle to sterilize before you put your pineapple in. But I just boiled some water, guys, and this is hot water, so I'm going to put some more on it. You know, sterilize the container, make sure it's clean, and the water boiling there. So that's to sterilize the bottle. And yeah, I think this jam is good. It's ready after 1 hour. I'm going to turn it off and, you know, let it cool, and when it's set, then the next morning I'll test it out for you to see. See? Yeah, I have jam on the way. And I turn the flame off. So this jam took me, I think, 55 minutes, or let's see, an hour. Turn it off now. And I'm going to sterilize the bottle and pour it in. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Look how thick it is. And it's not cool. When this is cool, very thick. I like the way it looks. So guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Okay? So guys, this glass, I'm pouring it in. It's very hot, right, from the hot water, so you want to pour it while it's hot, while the bottle is hot. Guess what, guys, my battery is on, like, what, 4%, so the phone went dark. So at this point I have it plugged in, so you can see me pour this in. It needs charging. Yeah, but I'm gonna let this cool. Okay, don't forget to comment and give the video a like, a thumbs up. So guys, I'm gonna taste the jam, and there's so many things you can do with jam, guys, and you know, I like the fact that I decided to share this recipe. It's quick and easy, and it's good for the holiday. And yeah, if you wanted to, if I wanted to, I could have put or if you want to, when you're making it, you could put, you know, ginger in it. But for the first time around, I wanted to do it plain. And yeah, now it's time to taste the jam with this piece of bread here. It's time to unveil. Would unveil be the word? There it is. Pineapple jam. Ooh. Look at it. Look at its thickness. See? Ready to go on the fridge. Now, this knife is plastic, so I have to be careful. I don't want it to break. Okay. Sticking, guys. There's no preservative in this. Maybe this knife is not appropriate, a plastic knife. Let me try another knife. Oh, there's the jam. I can taste the pineapple in the jam. Tastes so good. So next time around, guys, I will definitely be putting ginger in this. It's so good. It dries up like a candy-like texture. Okay, so let me try this knife. And there it is. Pineapple jam. And I love pineapple. So guys, if you have pineapple sitting on your counter or in your fridge that is going bad, it's a good idea. You can make jam with it. Yummy. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. One more time. Really good. Really good, guys. Take a look one more time at the jam. So guys, you know what that means? I'm no longer buying jam. As of now, I make my own jam. I'm looking forward to all those jams. Raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, you name it. So guys, thanks for watching once more, and catch you in the next video. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum.